Hi guys, I'm Ardiles Maldonado from ABM7. The topic is about the truth, and the question is, why gossiping is so attractive to many people claiming to be true? For me, so it becomes attractive to many people because they want to be protagonists of the story, and they will notice a lot of people. Also, they have to be talking about things they do not know, the whole story. So easily be attracted because of what they denounce the person, even someone do not know the whole story. So they are claiming to be true. They enjoy other people even though they did not tell the truth. So that's all guys. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye.